السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today is the second session. We will be covering the Basmallah. So this the reciting this ayah, the first ayah of every surah, is has a name which is called Basmallah. And so there are rulings for the Basmallah. Just like we discussed, even for ta'awuz, there were rules, right? That if you got interrupted or uh, disturbed, and now you've restarted reciting the Quran, you recite it. And Basmallah specifically, I think we discussed last time, was that when you recite a passage that brings Allah's mercy and is talking about Jannah and positive things, happy things, then you will in that session also read the Basmallah if you're reciting a passage in the middle of the Quran. But specifically, if there's a anger of Allah or a punishment or hellfire being discussed, and that passage is what you're gonna start reciting in the middle of the Quran, for example, you will not begin with Basmallah. And Surah Tawbah also does not begin with Basmallah. So even though there are 114 surahs in the Quran, somebody can ask you a trick question: how many surahs does Basmallah begin with? And you'll say the same, and it's not. It's 113. So, without further ado, we're going to recite this, and it is recited with every surah, including the Al-Fatiha. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. So we will discuss what is in this ayah. So last time I went over the Itmamul Harakat's importance, like making sure you complete the elongation where it is long, and where it's short, you give the right amount of short. So harakat is like a duration of your recitation. And so ba with the kasra is one haraka, and then meme with the kasra is one. But then there's, for example, here there's a blue mad saghira. So this is meme fatha with a alif saghira. So this is two counts, and it's called mad tabi'i. So here also ha with a kasra and followed with a ya. You will notice sometimes you will see this extra. So here there's a alif saghira. You could have written a full alif too if you wanted to write this word out. In here, they put ha kasra and ya, but there's no tashkil on the ya. It's missing, but that doesn't matter. It's still two counts. So let's begin. We'll read one word at a time, and then we'll try to do two, okay? Oh, here, because the meme kasra is joining with lafz jalala, we'll join it, okay? Bismil,
Bismillah,
bismil,
Bismillahir,
lahir, bismillahir,
Bismillahir,
rahmanir,
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 rahim.
Rahim.
So the end of Rahim, it's even though it's only two counts, you can decide because it's the last word of this ayah. You can decide if you want to do two counts or you want to stretch it longer for four counts. Six is the only longest duration you can stretch it with. So if you stick to whatever number, you have to stick throughout your recitation to the same rule. So if I chose it to be two counts and I'm reciting, I need to make all of them either in this one also two counts. And if I chose this to be four counts, then now the next ayah too, when I end it with the mean here, alameen, so then it will also be the same. You cannot mix and match that here I'll do two and here I'll do four. Okay, so now we'll join the whole basmala. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
ra is mufakham, it's heavy. So making sure we say rah, rah,
Rah,
rah.
Rah,
Make sure there's no dhamma sound in your ra, okay? Like your tongue should just go up for making it heavy. Sometimes what happens is we make it round. The sound of dhamma comes in. So rah, rah.
Rah,
Very good. I don't know if you can tell the difference from before. Rah,
Rah,
Rahim.
Rahim.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bis.
Bis,
Very good. Bis.
bis.
Okay. Last time. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Very good, mashallah. So notice the sifats of seen that we do rekhava, and there's the sound spreading of the seen. It's similar to the sheen that we discussed last time. Barakallahu feek. We hope you enjoyed today's recitation, and we'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.